How's it going, Henna Guys fam? Today we're going to learn how to mix our mahogany henna dye. Mahogany contains indigo, red kaolinite clay, and henna. This color is definitely brown, but it does have a more visible red undertone. So let's get started. First off, we will need a non-metallic bowl. We did use a glass bowl, but a plastic bowl will work just fine. Also be sure to use either plastic or wooden utensils when mixing the henna. Now the length of your hair will really determine just how much powder you will need. Full measurements will be found in the description box. We will be using the entire packet for the video. After the desired amount of henna has been poured into your bowl, you can add in your liquid. When mixing henna, a number of liquids can be used, for example, distilled water, tea, or coffee. For this video, we've used black brewed coffee. As far as how much liquid is needed, it really depends on how much henna you use. So when you begin to add in your liquid, pour it in a little at a time and be sure to stir after each addition. By stirring immediately after, this will help to eliminate the majority of the clumps. After you've added in all of your liquid, you will need to stir the henna for several minutes. After several minutes of stirring, your henna should look similar to this. Notice that it has a smooth, batter-like consistency. Once your henna is the correct texture, you will need to let it complete the full dye release process. Mahogany will need 8 to 10 hours before it can be applied. Since 8 to 10 hours is a long time, you can mix the henna the night before the application. Just make sure to cover the henna with plastic and keep it wrapped for. After 8 to 10 hours, the henna will look like this. Uncover the henna and stir it. It will have oxidized overnight, and stirring helps it to return to the original state. If the henna has hardened, you can add in a little bit of water to help loosen it up too. After a quick stir, your henna is now ready for the application. Make sure your hair is clean and dry, then separate it into sections. When applying the henna, start from the roots of your hair and work down to the ends. Ensure that each strand is fully saturated with henna. Once the henna has been completely applied, cover your hair with the provided shower cap and leave it on for at least 3 hours. After 3 hours, you can rinse the henna out. Make sure to use cool water. You can use a generous amount of sulfate and paraben-free conditioner to help remove it. Start from the ends of your hair and work your way up to the roots. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on social media.